Mathematics class 12 chapter 6 application of derivatives. We have seen that dy by dx is nothing but the slope of the tangent and slope of normal is negative inverse of dy by dx. We also saw the equation of the tangent and normal. Today we continue with little more about the tangent. Slope of the tangent is 0. That means tan theta is 0. That means theta is 0, dy by dx is 0. So tangent is parallel to x-axis. If tangent is parallel to x-axis, then the equation of the tangent will be y is equal to y naught. And if it is theta is perpendicular, that means tan theta is infinite, that is tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, then the tangent is given as x is equal to x naught. Exercise 6.3. Find slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. To find the slope of the tangent, you have to differentiate this curve. So I differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to 3x power 4 is 4x cube, which is 12 into 12x power 4, 3 minus 4, x is 1. You are asked at x equal to 4, put x equal to 4, 4 cube is 64, simplify, you get 764. So that is the slope of the tangent at x equal to 4. So slope you have to find, differentiate the given curve, put the point at which you have to find. Question number 2. Find slope of tangent to y is equal to x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 at x is equal to 10. Differentiate u by v, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiate denominator, divided by square of denominator. This is as it is, this derivative is 1, minus this is as it is, this derivative is 1. Open the bracket, x minus 2 minus x minus plus 1. Denominator as it is, x and x cut, so you get minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, divided by x minus 2 whole square. You are asked as x equal to 10. Put x equal to 10 value. So when you put 10, you get 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 square is 64, and here minus 1 is there. So the slope of the tangent to this curve at x equal to 10 is minus 1 by 64. Question number 3. Find the slope of the tangent to y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is equal to 2. That means x value is given to you 2. So same procedure, first differentiate, derivative of x cube is 3x square, minus x is 1, plus 1 is 0. And they have asked at x equal to 2. So you put x value as 2. So when you put, you get 11. Then question 4 is similar, so you try yourself. Question number 5. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. So here it is a theta parameter, it is in a parametric form, theta is the parameter. So differentiate with respect to theta first and then use the chain rule. So differentiate x with theta, so it is dx by d theta, x cube is 3 cos square theta and cos is minus sin theta, and this a is as it is. Okay, and then again here also differentiate with respect to theta, so y is dy by d theta is equal to a is as it is, x sin cube is 3 sin square theta and sin is cos theta. Now use the chain rule. So according to chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by theta divided by dx by d theta. Put the value 3a sin square theta cos theta minus 3a sin theta cos square theta. Simplify, you will get minus sin by cos. Okay, 3a cut, 1 sin 1 cos cut, so you get minus tan theta. This is slope of the tangent. You are asked to find slope of the normal, that is negative inverse of this you have to take, and you have to find it x theta is equal to pi by 4. So you take slope of the tangent normal minus 1 by dy by dx, this is the formula, put minus plus, and they have asked us at pi by 4, so put the value pi by 4. So you get what? 10 pi by 4 is 1, which is 1. Then question number 6, find the slope of the tangent to the curve x is equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y is equal to b cos square theta, theta is equal to pi by 2. Here also parametric form, parameter is theta, so differentiate first with respect to theta. See, I am differentiating, 1 is 0, minus a, sin is cos. Here dy by d theta, b is as it is, cos square is 2 cos and cos is minus sin. Now by chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by theta by dx by d theta, put the value. So when you put minus cancel, 1 cos cancel, so you get 2b sin theta by a. dy by dx is equal to 2b sin theta by a. You are asked slope of the normal again, so it is negative inverse of this. So minus 1 by dy by dx is equal to, just inverse you take and it is negative. So a 2b sin theta. They have asked us at theta equal to pi by 2. Put the value of pi by 2. Theta is pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So we get minus a by 2b. Question number 7. Find point on the at which tangent to curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to x-axis. Here they have said tangent is parallel to x-axis. When tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx is 0. The slope of x and the tangent is same, and slope of the x-axis is 0. So dy by dx will be 0. First differentiate this, so you get 3x square minus 6x minus 9, and take 3 common, so you get 3x square minus 2x minus 3. Given that tangent is parallel to x-axis, that means dy by dx equal to 0. So equate this with 0. When you equate 0, 3 will cancel. I am splitting the middle term. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So x square minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. From here take x common. From here take 1 common. So you get x minus 3 plus 1 x minus 3 equal to 0. So values of x will be x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 1. So you found one point. You have to find y coordinate. X coordinate you found. So what we do? We put this value in the equation of the given curve to get y value. So I am putting here, see y is equal, substituting x equal to 3 and minus 1 in equation of the curve. Equation of the curve is here. I put first 3. So 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. So 3 cube is 27. 3 into 3 square is 27. 9 into 3 is 27. This is 7. Simplify, you get minus 20. Then y is equal to, again in the equation of the curve, you are going to put y value as minus 1. Okay, when you put minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1, into 3 is minus 3, 9 minus 9 into 1 is minus 1 is 9 plus and 7. Simplify, you get 12. So you got, when x is equal to 3, you are getting y value minus 20. When x is equal to minus 1, you are getting 12. So these are the points. The situation of this is here. Okay, I have drawn this curve. This curve is not exactly that. I have just drawn a roughly curve. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and here the tangent is drawn, which is parallel to x-axis. So we have found this point. There are 2 points. Okay, here we have found 2 according to calculation. But the situation is like that tangent is parallel to x-axis. So that is the answer, or that are the 2 points we find for where the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Question number 8. Find point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which tangent parallel to chord joining the point 2, 0 and 4, 4. So the situation is something like that. The points are on the curve. Okay. So this is my equation. This is my curve. This is the 2 points, and when you join this is the chord. Okay. And this is the tangent which is parallel to this. So you have to find the point here. This point you have to find. Now they have said that equation, see both are parallel means slope is same. Okay, so the slope of the tangent will be equal to slope of the chord. And slope of the chord, how do we find? We have learned in the last year by 2-point form. Okay, if you are given 2 point, then the slope is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, x1 y1 is 1 point, x2 y2 is another point. So here 2, 0, 4, 4. So the slope of the chord will be given as y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So 4 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 2. So you get 4 by 2, that is 2. Call it number 2. Then it will be same as the slope of the tangent, and slope of the tangent we can find from the equation of the curve. So this is the curve, differentiate with respect to x, so you get dy by d is equal to x power n. So 2 into x power n is 2, and this is the slope of the tangent. Given that both are parallel, tangent parallel to chord, therefore the slopes are equal. So I can say m2 is equal to m1. So that means 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 cuts, so you get here 1. So x minus 2 is equal to 1. Transfer to minus 2 here becomes plus. So you get plus 3. So x value is 3. Now find y value by putting this in equation of the curve. So I'll put here x is equal to 3. So you put 3 minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 2 is 1 square, 1. So point is 3, 1. They have asked only this point. So we found the point 3, 1. Question number 9. Find point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which tangent is y is equal to x plus 1. So this is, they have given us equation of the tangent. See, I have drawn here. This is a curve which is given here, and the tangent is given to us. Now you have to find this point. Okay, the point where it is intersecting. Now I'll find slope from here and slope from here and equate both. Now this is a line which is a tangent. So how to find the slope? We will use the formula y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, and I compare here, so this m will give the slope, that is coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 1, so I compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus c, the equation of the tangent. So slope is 1, and this slope will be equal to slope of the tangent from, if I find the derivative. So I find the derivative and equate that with that slope. From equation of the curve, y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Differentiate with respect to x. So when you differentiate, you are going to get dy by d is equal to 3x square minus 11 is also the slope of the tangent. And so I can put m is equal to 3x square minus 11. M will be from here. Okay, what I found from here 1. So I put that value 1. So I have put here c. 1 is equal to 3x square minus 11. Okay, minus 11 you transfer here becomes plus 11. So it becomes plus 12. Divide by 3, so you get 12 by 3 is 4. Take square root, so x equal to plus or minus 2. So you have to find the point. Na? So you put this value 2 in equation of the curve, y is equal to x square, x cube minus 11x plus 5. So I put first plus 2, the 2 cube 11 into 2 into 5. So you simplify 8 into minus 22 plus 5 is equal to minus 9. So you have got the point when x equal to 2, y is minus 9. I have written here. Then put minus 2, same way, minus 2 cube, minus 2, simplify, you get minus 8, 22, 5, 19. So when x is equal to minus 2, y is 19. So these are the 2 points. They asked us to find the point and we have found. Question number 10. Find equation of line having slope minus 1 that are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. X is not equal to 1. You are given that the slope of the tangent here minus 1 and you have to find that the equation of the tangent. Okay, so slope is minus 1, that is nothing but dy by dx. And from the equation of the curve, I can find again the slope, that is y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x, so y is dy by dx. I am using 1 by x formula. Okay, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So I am using directly, so 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. But they have said that this is equation of the tangent. Okay, and equation of the tangent they have also given us. So this equal to this. I can compare both. So when you compare, minus minus cancel, take the reciprocal. So what you get is x minus 1 whole square equal to 1. Take a square root. So x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. Minus 1. First you consider plus 1 here. Then you consider minus 1. So first I am taking plus 1 and I am transferring minus 1 here. Becomes plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So x value is 2. Minus 1 you transfer, here minus 1 becomes minus 1 and this becomes plus 1, so x equal to 0. So one value get 2, one value get 0. Now you have to find the value of y. So put value of x, first you put 2, then you put 0 in the equation of the curve to get the y coordinate. So I put x equal to 2. So what you get is y is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 1 which is 1. Then put x equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 minus 1. So minus 1. So I have got 2 points. 2, 1. 0 minus 1 and slope is minus 1. What you are asked to find the equation. Okay, so we have to find, we'll get 2 equations because I have got 2 points. So there are 2 tangent. Equation of tangent from x2, y2, that is I am taking first point, 2, 1. And the slope will be same, minus 1. Then the equation is given by y minus y naught equal to dy by dx x minus x naught. This is the formula. Put the value of y naught, that is 1, and x naught, that is 2, and dy by dx, that is minus 1. Okay, so you put here. See, I have put y minus 1, x minus 2. Open this bracket, so minus x, minus a minus plus 2. Minus x you transfer here, so x becomes plus. Minus 2 you transfer here, becomes minus. So plus minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So you get the equation x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Then equation of the tangent at x naught y naught, we have got another point also, 0 minus 1. So for that, slope is the same. So y minus y naught is equal to m. Here dy by dx, I have just placed it as m, x minus x naught. So y naught is minus 1, so minus and minus plus 1 equal to, m is slope is minus 1, x, and x naught is 0. So put 0. So minus x, I have written here, this minus x you transfer here becomes plus x, so you get x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So we found 2 equations of a tangent. One is x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 and second is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So that is they have asked us the equation given tangent, slope, and we have to find the point plus the equation. Question number 12. 11 is similar to question number 10, so it will be your homework. Find equation of line having slopes 0 which are tangent to curve y is equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. This is also similar to the previous question. So here given that slope is dy by dx equal to 0, given to you slope as 0. Equation of the curve is this. I'll differentiate. So dy by dx, I use 1 by x again. So 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. But this is not x, so you have to differentiate this. So d by dx of x square minus 2x plus 3. Okay, once again I differentiate this part. X square will be 2x minus 2 and x is 1, 3 is 0. Now they have given that this slope is 0. So you equate this slope and this slope. So 0, equating 0, transfer this, multiply with 0. Minus also cancel, so you get 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Transfer minus 2 here becomes plus 2. Divide by 2 you get 1. So x value is 1. Put this x value 1 in equation of the curve. So 1, 1. So you get here 1 minus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So you get y value as 1 by 2. Now equation of the tangent at x naught, y naught. X naught is 1 and y naught is 1 by 2. And slope is 0 given in the question. Is y minus y naught equal to dy by dx x minus x naught. Put the value of y naught as 1 by 2, dy by dx as 0, x minus x naught is 1. Okay, this is 0, so everything will become 0. Here remains y minus 1 equal to 0. Y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. This 1 by 2 you transfer here, y is equal to 1 by 2. So that is the equation of the given tangent. So we have done up to question number 12. Today we'll keep this much. Then next we'll continue with the next question. Thank you very much.